So, you've already built your community on Discord, but now you want to shift your entire community to another community platform like Scenes. Is that even possible? Let's find out. Picking the best community platform for your community is a paralyzing thought, because there are so many available in the market. Moving your audience to another platform can be even harder. Should you invest in a custom solution or choose an out-of-the-box solution to start with? How should you shift all your social capital from one platform to another as you scale? Well, as long as you don't compromise on the value proposition, the friction of shifting to a new home will be embraced by members. But if you don't have the budget or immediate need for a standalone app, we have a wide variety of community platforms out there, some of which can provide custom domains and a white-labeled solution. On Scenes, we made the migration seamless as you scale from a white-label solution to a standalone app. One of the most important things you should do before switching a community is to involve your community. Changing platforms should not be an instantaneous decision, and migrating is something that should not be kept private. Having an awesome new platform won't help if your audience is not ready to shift. Remember, the community is made from its members, so don't just jump on them with a final decision. You should involve them in everything you think and do. From the first day onwards, share the reason behind the shift and seek out their opinions. A survey might help you find out the features, tools, and content your audience would like to change. Similarly, you should also know what they love about the current platform. I highly recommend you reach out to your super users and get their buy-in early on. Involve your loyal members in the entire process. These are the people who would support your decision and convince other members to move. You can share mocks and beta versions with them. These folks would ensure that everyone is excited about the new platform. To make things more familiar for community members, you can make the new space feel like the old space by continuing standard community norms, migrating some of the popular content, and maintaining the same branding. But while doing this, don't forget to make them feel the newness. Also focus on the obvious improvements over the old space. So now that you've decided to switch community platforms, how do you say goodbye? Well, it's a wise decision to make an official announcement in your community before, during, and after the switch. Before closing up, you can host a virtual farewell party, reflecting over all the beautiful moments that you and your community have shared. Moreover, you should make sure that you provide links to your new space in the original platform. This will guide anyone who stumbles upon your old space. Now, when you make the decision to switch, you're bound to get a few naysayers. Some people will be reluctant to move, while others will hate the new platform altogether. So try to manage expectations and help the stakeholders understand any potential roadblocks. Let them know that a dip in the number of registered members is expected. Moreover, migration would automatically weed out users who signed up but never checked back in. To deal with stragglers, leave a pinned message that is easily seen to ensure that they know where to go if they missed the boat. Keep a regular check on your old space for anyone who might have checked out the wrong place. These could be newcomers or users who were radio silent for some time. Your priority is to direct everyone to the new space you've created. The last and most important step of switching your community space is promotion. Tell people about the new community and send a link to the platform. Highlight the value of the new space. Everyone should know where to find you and what to do to become a part of your community. You can communicate the update via a tweet, email, or a note with a pigeon. Do whatever you have to, but inform everyone.